Hey guys, what's up? This is iTech1 here. So Apple's much awaited March event finally happened and it was an interesting one. Not like a normal event from Apple where we would get a few new hardware products, this event had its major focus on Apple's subscription services such as Apple Arcade for exclusive games, Apple News Plus for full access to hundreds of newspapers and magazines, and Apple's TV Plus, which is their new streaming service that will feature original movies and TV shows. In addition, Apple introduced the Apple Card coming this summer, and surprisingly, it took the spotlight at this event. This credit card from Apple is built around their main principles of simplicity and privacy, and this could possibly be a game changer in the credit card industry for several reasons, which I'll cover in this video. But before that, let me give you an overview of what the Apple Card is. Basically, the credit card sits in the Wallet app that you can use by Apple Pay, and here in the app, it keeps all your transaction history in a simple way that makes it easy for you to keep track of where you use the card. It also shows you your weekly and monthly spendings and helps you choose the right payment plan with information regarding the total amount of interest you would be paying. Another cool thing about this card is that you'll get daily cashback rewards as Apple Cash, which saves the hassle of trying to figure out how to redeem your points. So this Apple Card seems like it has a lot of advantages over normal bank credit cards, and I'll try to sum up all the reasons why it's better. Let's start off with privacy. A lot of credit card companies sell your personal data to third parties for advertisement and marketing, so that means these different companies know your buying history. This isn't just useful for them to send you targeted ads and coupons, but also helps them tap into your personal life. Because if you think about it, the history of things you've bought can really tell these companies a lot about who you are. But Apple has said that they will keep all your information private, even they won't know what you have bought, so selling your information is out of the question. They even said that their partner bank, the Goldman Sachs, won't ever sell your information for ads. Another thing that goes in line with better privacy over other credit cards is Apple's simple yet brilliantly designed titanium card that has no visible information that could be stolen. Other credit cards have all the information fully exposed for someone who has stolen your card to make unauthorized transactions. And there's no question here that credit card theft is a huge problem and millions of people are affected by it. So this Apple Card adds that extra layer of protection where your unique card number is created and locked within your iPhone, and it can't be used without either your Face ID or Touch ID. Apple's unique way of summarizing and keeping track of your spendings is also a great reason to replace your current credit card. Your total spendings are organized in a colorful manner with different categories all in one place. The best part that you won't find with other credit card companies is the Apple Maps location data that helps you track where all your transactions took place. This gets rid of the stress of trying to make sense of those confusing credit card statements. Lastly, another great thing about this Apple Card over other credit cards is that there are no fees. Like other credit cards, with Apple Card you won't have to watch out for those obscure fees and hidden charges that credit card companies thrive on. I think the Apple Card is going to be a game changer that puts together the latest technology with financing, which a lot of credit card companies have not been able to do yet. But what I love the most is the privacy you're going to be getting. Let me know your thoughts about the new Apple Card and if you're going to get one. This is it for this video, guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. I try to post the latest news, leaks, and rumors around Apple products. So if you're into that, make sure to also click on the bell icon for instant notification when I post my next video. Until next time, guys, take care.